In this video, I'm going to teach you how to game share from Switch 2 to Switch 1. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be showcasing how you can easily game share any digital licenses that you have for games from your Switch 2 to a Nintendo Switch 1. Like I said before, this will only work for digital games, or how Nintendo likes to call them, virtual game cards. So first, here is how it works. You will be able to share games locally from a Nintendo Switch 2. You cannot share them from a Nintendo Switch 1, so keep that in mind. And you can receive on both the Nintendo Switch 2 and the Nintendo Switch 1. So the option to share will only be available on the Switch 2, but the option to receive will be available for both. So you could use the same method that I'm going to show in this video to transfer from a Switch 2 to a Switch 2. So what you have to do is first, on the Nintendo Switch 2, sign into both accounts. You should also do this on the Nintendo Switch 1. So sign into the main account where you will be sharing games from, and sign into the other account where you will be receiving them. This is to ensure that it works flawlessly. So essentially, it is going to be both accounts on both Nintendo Switch systems. Now, to actually do the process of sharing on the Nintendo Switch 2, go over to the home screen and select Virtual Game Cards. In here, you will once again be able to confirm the profiles. So select the one that has the games that you will be sharing, and you will see your Virtual Game Cards library. So if you own a game digitally, it is going to appear here. So choose any game on the list. It is going to tell you if it is loaded on the Nintendo Switch 2, and if it is, and you are the owner of this game, then you will be able to choose between load on other system or load on family group member. It doesn't matter which one you pick, the process is essentially the same. But for this one, whoever you are sharing with needs to be on your family group, and you can manage this through the Nintendo website on your Nintendo account settings. So when you choose either of these, you will be instructed on what to do. If you select family group member, you will select the user who is registered within your Nintendo account family group. So in this example, it would be the person on the Nintendo Switch 1. You select them from here, and once it is done, you will share from the Nintendo Switch 2 to the Nintendo Switch 1 any game that you own digitally. So now on the Nintendo Switch 1, go over to the home screen, select Virtual Game Cards, just like you did with the Nintendo Switch 2, and choose the option to borrow the game that you are sharing over. So once you borrow it on the Nintendo Switch 1, you will be able to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on understanding game sharing on Switch 2 and Switch 1, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality content. Thank you for watching. I highly count on your subscription, and I'll see you on the next one. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to share. Oh my god.